Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little burrow nestled beside a sparkling blue river, lived a fluffy white bunny named Pip. Pip loved to explore. He had big bright eyes and long floppy ears that twitched with curiosity. Today he was hopping along the riverbank, his little backpack bouncing. Pip's best friend, Lily, was waiting for him near a big old oak tree. Lily was a sweet girl with rosy cheeks and bright green eyes. She wore a sunny yellow dress and always had a smile. "Pip, you made it," she called, waving. Lily had something special to show Pip. "My grandpa left me this," she said, holding out a beautiful clockwork sparrow. The sparrow was made of shiny gold and silver, with tiny gears that whirred softly. Its eyes were like tiny sparkling blue jewels. Lily carefully wound a tiny key on the sparrow's side. The sparrow's wings began to flap, and it chirped a sweet tinkling sound. As it chirped, a tiny door on its chest popped open. Inside, Lily and Pip gasped. There was a tiny rolled-up piece of paper. Carefully, Lily unrolled the paper. It was a tiny map. The map showed a path through a field of colorful flowers, past the sparkling river, and towards a small hill with a funny-shaped tree on top. "This must lead to Grandpa's hidden workshop," Lily exclaimed. Following the tiny map, Lily and Pip walked through the field of bright red, yellow, and blue flowers. Butterflies with rainbow wings fluttered around them. The air smelled sweet and fresh. Next, they hopped carefully over smooth, colorful stones that crossed the sparkling river. The water gurgled and shimmered in the sunlight. Tiny fish with silver scales darted beneath the surface. Finally, they reached the small hill with the funny-shaped tree. The tree had branches that twisted and turned in playful ways. Hidden amongst the roots was a small wooden door. "This must be Grandpa's workshop." Lily gently pushed open the door. Inside, the workshop was filled with amazing things. There were tools that sparkled, half-finished inventions, and shelves filled with colorful gears and springs. In the middle of the room sat Grandpa's comfy chair. On the workbench, Lily found a note. It said, "Dear Lily, I made this clockwork sparrow especially for you. It holds a secret, just like you hold a special place in my heart. Keep exploring and discovering." Lily smiled. Grandpa loved adventures, and now she did too. Lily and Pip looked around the wonderful workshop. Lily realized that her grandpa wanted her to be curious and to always look for new things to learn. Just like the clockwork sparrow held a secret, the world around them was full of amazing secrets waiting to be discovered. And exploring with a good friend like Pip made everything even more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.